How much should you actually spend on shelf liners for your kitchen cabinets? It's tricky because you can find cheap options, but many end up being a hassle. Today, we're diving into the best ones that actually deliver on their promises. Product number 1, Gorilla Grip Power Grip Liner 20 FT. Let's kick things off with the Gorilla Grip Power Grip Drawer and Shelf Liner. Priced at $19.99, this product caught my eye with its promise of a strong hold without any adhesive mess. If you're looking for something that truly keeps your items in place, this is worth a serious look. This liner features a non-adhesive design that's tear-resistant, which means you won't have to deal with bunching or slipping, a common frustration when organizing cabinets. At 20 feet long and 12 inches wide, it's perfect for multiple drawers or shelves. Plus, it's stain-resistant, so you can wipe it clean easily. With over 33,500 reviews and a solid 4.6-star rating, here's why this matters for you. You want a liner that stays put and protects your cabinets from scratches and spills. Now, some people complained about it being a bit thick, which made cutting and trimming a little challenging for unique shapes. Here's the thing though, that thickness leads to better durability and protection, so it's not a deal breaker unless you need something ultra-thin for tight spaces. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable, durable liner for your kitchen cabinets. Skip this one if you're looking for something super easy to cut into unusual shapes. Overall, for $19.99, it's a solid investment in keeping your cabinets looking pristine. Now, if that thickness bothered you, this next option might just be more your style. Product number 2, Gorilla Grip Power Grip Liner 10 FT. Next up is another Gorilla Grip option, but this one's a bit shorter. The Power Grip Drawer and Shelf Liner 10 feet long comes in at a lower price of $14.99. This caught my eye because it still retains the same excellent grip, but in a more manageable length. If you want something effective without the bulk, this is worth considering. Just like its longer counterpart, this liner features a strong non-slip grip that keeps items firmly in place. It's made from quality materials, ensuring it won't tear easily. At 10 feet long, it's perfect for smaller drawers or just a few kitchen cabinets. Plus, it has the same stain-resistant properties, so you won't have to worry about accidental spills ruining it. With numerous reviews echoing the same satisfaction, here's why this matters. Convenience and effectiveness are key when you're in a busy kitchen. Now, some reviews mentioned that the shorter length wasn't enough for larger cabinets. Here's the thing though, if you're just looking to refresh a few areas, this could be the ideal choice without wasting material. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable liner for a smaller kitchen setup. Skip this one if you need coverage for larger spaces. For $14.99, it's a great deal given its quality. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those looking for a splash of color. Product number 3, Gorilla Grip Power Grip Liner 20 FT Snow White. Moving on, we have the Gorilla Grip Power Grip Drawer and Shelf Liner in a fresh snow white color. Priced at $23.99, this one stands out for those wanting a bright, clean look in their cabinets. If aesthetics matter as much as functionality for you, this is worth a serious look. The snow white color adds a touch of elegance while protecting your cabinets from scratches and spills. Plus, it's easy to clean, making maintenance a breeze. With a 4.6-star rating from thousands of reviews, here's why this matters for you. It provides both visual appeal and practical protection. However, some users found that the white color showed stains more easily than darker options. Here's the thing, if you're diligent about cleaning, this shouldn't be a deal breaker, especially if you love the look. This is perfect for you if you want a stylish yet functional liner. Skip this one if you frequently deal with messy items that could stain easily. At $23.99, you're paying a bit more for the aesthetic, but it might be worth it for your kitchen's look. Now, if you want to step away from traditional liners, let's check out a unique option that offers full cabinet protection. Product number 4, Jin and Bao Waterproof Under Sink Mat. Next is the Jin and Bao Waterproof Under Sink Mat, measuring 34 x 22 inches and priced at $13.99. This product really caught my attention because it's designed to protect your cabinets from leaks and spills, which is something many people overlook. If you're tired of worrying about water damage, this is definitely worth a look. The one-piece silicone design means no cracks or seams for leaks to escape. It's not just a liner, it doubles as an organizer for your cleaning supplies or other essentials, keeping everything tidy. With a solid 4.7-star rating, here's why this matters. You want both protection and organization. However, some users noted that it can be a bit slippery if not properly secured. Here's the thing, if you place it in a cabinet where it gets a lot of use, just make sure it's positioned correctly to avoid that issue. This is perfect for you if you need a reliable way to protect your undersink area. Skip this one if you're looking for something strictly for shelves and drawers. At $13.99, it provides great value for peace of mind. Alright, that was a unique choice. But if you prefer something more traditional yet effective, I've got another great option coming up. Product number 5, Shinlanded Non-Adhesive Shelf Liner. Finally, we have the Shinlanded Shelf and Drawer Liner priced at just $7.99. This one really stood out because it's incredibly budget-friendly while still offering solid protection. If you want to save some cash without sacrificing quality, this is definitely worth your attention. This non-adhesive liner is designed with a strong grip to prevent slipping, which means your items stay put. At 12 inches wide and 10 feet long, it's easy to cut and customize to fit any space. Plus, it's waterproof and anti-oil, making it easy to clean. With a rating of 4.6 stars and strong sales, here's why this matters for you. Affordability doesn't have to mean compromising on performance. However, some users mentioned it can curl at the edges after a while. Here's the thing, if you place it correctly and keep it flat, you shouldn't face too many issues, especially at this price. This is perfect for you if you're on a budget and need a reliable liner. Skip this one if you're looking for something super durable for long-term use. At $7.99, it's a steal for how well it performs. Now let's wrap up our review of these 5 great options. So there you have it. From the durable Gorilla Grip options to the unique Jin and Bao matte and budget-friendly Shinlanded liner, you've got a range of choices depending on your needs. Whether you prioritize aesthetics, protection, or price, there's something here for everyone. Choose what fits your kitchen best.